Okay. Internet problems. نايرة عم تسمعي؟ نايرة.
Yes.
Okay. إذا طلع infinity over infinity we apply Hospital's rule. If we don't know the rule بصير limit as x tends to plus infinity of 1 over x derivative over derivative over 1 equal 1 over infinity equal 0. Therefore, the line dy equal x is an oblique asymptote to c at plus infinity. Now, to study the position between the curve and the oblique asymptote, position is determined by the sign of fx minus yd. fx minus yd is ln x over x. It is neither positive nor negative. ln x يكون negative يكون positive. So we solve ln x over x equal to 0. Cross multiplying ln x equal to 0, x equal 1. We make a sign table, x, fx minus yd, position. I put 1 here and 0 here. So here, if we put a value greater than 1, like 2, ln 2 over 2 is positive, negative. Negative, we say C is below D. Positive, C is above D. D cuts C at 1, 1. Because the line is here, the line y equal minus x plus 2. Please correct it here, minus x plus 2. Make a little correction. Minus x plus 2 is an oblique asymptote, not x. Is that x equal 1? We replace it in the equation of the line. We get y equal 1, point of intersection. Any questions?
No.
No. Haikaz, did you finish writing?
Yes.
Show that f prime x and gx have the same sign. How to prove that f prime x and gx have the same sign? We determine f prime x. So fx equals minus x plus 2 plus ln x over x. F prime x equal minus 1. Derivative of 2 is 0 plus u over v. U over v. U prime derivative of ln x is 1 over x times u times v, which is x, minus v prime is 1 times ln x over x squared. X and x simplified. LCM is x squared. So we get minus x squared plus 1 minus ln x over x squared equal gx over x squared. Gx over x squared. So f prime x has the same sign as gx. Since x squared is positive, then f prime takes the same sign as gx. Gx, sign of gx, between 0 and 1, positive. So f prime takes the same sign as g. This is g. Between 0 and 1, it is positive. Between 1 plus infinity, it is negative. Now, limit at 0. Limit at 0 plus للfx equal minus 0 plus 2 plus ln 0 plus over 0 plus. Ln 0 plus is negative infinity equal minus infinity. The f of 1 equal 1, calculated before. Now limit fx as x tends to plus infinity equal limit as x tends to plus infinity of minus x plus 2 plus ln x over x. Limit of ln x على x as x tends to infinity is 0, remains minus infinity. It is done شباب ولا حدا بعده عم يكتب؟
أنا فوق ما كتبت أول
وين؟ Position?
بي نوتس بي
B هذا البي. We start from here.
Still,
Yes.
Friday بلشنا
Yeah.
ريفيجن.
ما سمعت.
Friday بلشنا ريفيجن.
Yes. حلينا أول problem. Friday.
فيك تحط PDF.
أوكي. حط PDF.
دانستر
Part C. Show that the equation fx equal to 0 admits two roots alpha and beta. Alpha between 0.4 and 0.5 والبeta بين 2.3 و 2.4. What we do here to show the equation fx equals 0 admits two roots. We take each interval 0.4, 0.5. The function is continuous and strictly increasing. بنجيب ال f of 0.4 وال f of 0.5. Over part C over 0.4, 0.5. F is continuous and strictly increasing. We determine f of 0.4 is minus 0.69, which is negative. F of 0.5 equals 0.11, which is positive. So f of 0.4 is negative, f of 0.5 is positive. So fx equals 0 has 1 root alpha belongs to 0.4, 0.5. Now over the second interval, 2.3, 2.4, f is continuous and strictly decreasing, continuous plus decreasing. F of 2.3 is 0.06, which is positive. F of 2.4 equal minus 0.035, which is negative. Means fx equals 0 has only 1 root beta belongs 2.3, 2.4. Don't forget to put in the test f is continuous and either increasing or decreasing. Not directly calculate f of 2.3 and f of 2.4. Because it is done.
Yes.
Part D. Determine the coordinates of the point A on C where the tangent T to C is parallel to D. Determine coordinates of a point A on C where the tangent T to C is parallel to D. شو بنعمل؟ What is the step? In which case the
Slope
lines
equals
are...
slope.
Okay, what is the slope of the tangent?
F prime x.
Okay.
F prime x of A equals to.
So this, since the two lines are parallel, tangent at A is parallel to D. Slope let tangent at A equal slope let D. F prime of x A equal minus 1, not 1. Minus 1. F prime of x A equal minus 1. So minus x squared plus 1 minus ln x squared equal minus 1. Cross multiplying remains 1 minus ln x equal to 0. Ln x equal 1, x equal e. We calculate f of e equal minus e plus 2 plus ln e over e. f of e نعملها replaceable function تعطينا minus e plus 2 plus 1 over e تطلع minus 0.35. So this is the point A.
أستاذ هيدا لان إيه لما نعمل مالتيبلاي باللان فيك تذكرني.
Which one?
هون x equals to e.
كيف تلاقي كيف تلاقي x equal e؟
يس كان نعمل مالتيبلاي بالLN بس كان كيف؟
فيك تحط دغري rule ln x equals a. الأورنج بيقول x equal directly بنشيل ال ln بنزيد e to the a. Any questions like us?
No أستاذ.
Important هيدي الأورنج.
بس كان في غير طريقة هيدا كيف؟
بتحط ln x instead of 1 you put ln e. You multiply by ln e here. So بتشيل اللن مع بيطلع x equal e. Now draw the tangent and the curve. The line D عنده equation y equal minus x plus 2. إذا ال x 0 ال y 2. إذا ال x 2 ال y 0. You join these 2 points together, you get the line. You join the 2 points together, you get the line D. Tangent, to draw the tangent, you locate A. A is 2.7, 0.35. A is 2.7, 0.35. This is A. And at A, you draw a line parallel to the line D. You draw the tangent parallel to D. We don't have the equation and not necessary to find the equation. We know that a point A belongs to the tangent and it is parallel to D. So we have the maximum point is 1, 1. هذا الماكسيموم point. It cuts the x-axis at alpha between 0 and 0.5, fx equals 0, and beta between 2.3 and 2.4. This is beta here. According to the table of variation, the curve is increasing from 0 minus infinity till the maximum. The curve is increasing 0 minus infinity here to the maximum. It cuts the x-axis at alpha, it reaches the maximum. Then it decreases. It makes a tangent at A, then it goes near the oblique asymptote. اوكي شباب وصبايا بنكفي تاني بيريود
بس هي دي اوبليك
انه ما عادش في وقت.
اوكي ستيس.
دي اوبليك اسيمتوت نعمل له تيبل هيكاز x y 0 2 2 0.
يلا باي.
باي باي ستيس.
اوكي 2 و5 اوكي